Hello everyone, my name is Sweta. Today I'll discuss about our business that is Com Infosys, and I'll tell you about each and every details about what are the services which we are providing and what are the expertise areas we are and how we are helping our clients and what are the services which we are expertise and what we have already given to our clients and all. Each and every details I'll share over here so that it will be quite easier for you before moving ahead with your business. So let's have a look on our portfolio so that it will be quite easier for you to choose us. So this is our website. You can check it out. This is our website. So if you once you click over here, you will get it one page. Here each and every details are here. You can see like what are the expertise areas we are into, and each and everything you will get over here. And below that you will get one video link. From this also you can check it out our other videos as well. So here this is one, and in about us page you will get all the details about us, like what are the expertise area, how we're working and each and everything, and how we are different from our client other services and all other companies and all. So each and everything you can check it out over here, how we work differently from others. And here you can see the Com Infosys introduction video as well. And services, what are the services which we are providing to our clients. Here in all the services you will get our one portfolio of work as well. Yeah, missing data portfolio, standard instruction, each and every details here you can get. And project work, this is the portfolio list of portfolio where you will get all the details about us, like how we're working, and each and every portfolio. From this portfolio you will get an idea like what are the expertise areas we are. And book online, here also you can book for lead generation or any kind of company research or digital marketing profiles. Like for an example, you are looking for a lead generation specialist. So once you just go for the book, you are booking over here, schedule online over here. Then after that you can schedule by that timing. Then you go for the lead generation, you can give your information like add your messages over here. Then after that we'll contact you through your mail id or phone number. We'll give you the Zoom id or any kind of sources where we can discuss about our business and all. So from this it will be quite easier for you to connect with us. So this is the one way where you can communicate with us. Another also, there you can communicate with us through different social media platforms and all. So there are many ways where we can communicate with us. So let me tell you about what Commo Infosys is more into, so that it will be quite easier for you to understand our business and all. So this is the Com Infosys slide where you will get all the information about us. So this is about us page where you will get all the information like what Com Infosys is providing to its client. Com Infosys is a freelancing based company providing marketing and sales support service to its client. The company's prime focus is to give the best service to client with minimal price. And Com Infosys gives employment to all well educated women who fail to achieve their dreams due to their families. So why we are providing why we are mostly giving employment to women? Because I realized that there are many well educated women who failed in their career or who failed to achieve their dreams just because of their families, because they can't go outside uh, to leave their family alone or to leave their family neglected. So that's why I have decided to start something new to help to go for the to help the women in women empowerment. So this is my idea where I can give the training to the women, or I help the women to get to make them well employable in the in their fields or in the expertise area, so that in future they can earn by themselves as well through freelancing sector. So let's have a look what are the client value added service which we are providing. We are helping the startups, because startups don't have much money to spend. So that's why we are giving good service to startups with reasonable price. Trustworthy partner for high level employees. We are helping the high level employees like VP level or chief level employees to help them in their presentation making, report writing, and all. So you might be thinking like how why a high level employee will be look for such kind of work and all. So let's take an example like you are a chief level or a VP level of a company. So you want to spend some time with your family, so you go for a trip or you fall in ill some for that you spend your 10 to 15 days over there and all. So likewise there are certain things where a person can't be available all times or throughout the year. So take in that scenario, at that time you have, after you come to your office, at that time you have so many pending works, so many data work is there, so many presentation, report writing or something like that, or so many decision making work is there. So at that time you need someone else who can help you in a small work like presentation making, report writing, or any kind of deep research work or data or analysis and all. So at that time you can communicate with us, you can contact us so that we can help you to in your work, and as per your interest, as per your requirement, will provide you with the service. For an example, you are working for a IT based company and you want a presentation as per your requirement. At that time will help you, as per your requirement will help you to give you the best service what you are looking for. So as per that, you will be our prospect client in the future as well. So this is how we are helping our clients. Then lead generation and successful email campaign. We are helping our clients in lead generation through different medium like through Salesforce or through the Sales Navigator and discover.org. Through this we are helping our clients to get the lead, and we are also giving for them with we are helping our clients with successful email campaign as well, where we are sending all the details to prospect clients or prospect lead, and we are getting the lead generation or successful email campaign for that. So newly hunger bee. So for an example, a new person, a new joinee, a new employee of a company encounter so many problems, so many things they need to learn immediately. So at that time we are helping such newly employees or newly hunger bee who wants to success immediately. We are helping them with a very minimal price because they are just newly employees, so they don't have much money to spend. So we are helping them in their work so that they can make their work very peacefully without disturbing their mind, or without losing their mindset, or without losing their self confidence and all. So we are helping in this way to our clients. So let's have a look on in a very extensive way what are the things which we are providing to our clients. So we are helping our clients in market research, lead generation, digital marketing, supporting health and startups. So here also you can get all the ideas like how we are helping our clients in market research from technical to non-technical companies in profiling and mapping. In lead generation, we are helping our clients in Sales Navigator, Salesforce, and Discover.org. Digital marketing, we are helping our clients in social media posting, backlink creation through Canva, Photoshop, and others. We are also helping our clients in backlink sites, means backlink, create the backlinks through forum posting, article submission, social bookmarking sites, and all. So this is the way where how we are helping our clients. Supporting health to those like high level employees, mostly in presentation making, brochure, etc. Startups, we are helping the startups from end to end services, whether it comes to market research or digital marketing, with a very minimal price, with a good service, because we understand that a startup actually need for such services, but sometimes they fail to get it just because of the high price. So how we work? We accept the business request either from Upwork, Truelancer, or Freelancer, and you can directly message us on our website. So you can see, you can get all the details over here as well, like Upwork, Freelancer, and Truelancer details are here, so that you just need to communicate with us from that. Otherwise, you can directly message us from our website. So how we work? Info about your business. First, you need to clear about your communication, like what your business is all about, what you are looking from us. So after that, once you clear about your requirement, we'll move ahead with the authenticity. Authenticity means you need to sign one agreement with us. As we are the freelancer, we need to trust you, and you need to trust on us as well. So that's why we have a certain agreement paper which you need to sign, like after a certain work, like after we have done the first step of verification, you need to go for 50% salary and all. I'll tell you about that, what is it's all about. So you need to go for this agreement paper where you need to write all the details, like how much you are going to pay and how you are going to pay, each and everything you need to mention over there. Three-step verification. First step verification, after done with 80% work, we will share our work with you, and you need to pay us 50% amount. Second verification, tell us what are the changes you want, and third step verification, final amount will be there. So service you can expect from us, like uniqueness in our approach, minimal price. We don't charge much because we are a freelancer, we are giving employment to women, and this is a good purpose. So that's why we're charging very minimal amount with a good quality work. Verified, you can verify your work 3 times, because we are giving you the chance, like first verification, after done with 80% work, you can go for the modification, what are the requirements, what are the extra things you want to add, each and everything you can tell us as well. Authenticity, you will get authentic work as well. So this is the price model. So you can see lead generation, market research, startups supporting help to employees, subsidiary work. So in lead generation, 500 Indian rupee for 700 leads, or 200 exact leads. 1200 as per the number of data, like for 3 days we are charging 1200, for 7 days we are charging 1500, for monthly basis we are charging 500 to 10,000 as per the number of data. It depends on the number of data. So market research, we have like for 1000 we are charging for two companies profiling, 1500 for 3 days, for 3 days like two company profiling plus additional details, 3000 for market research type of projects, 5000 to 10,000 for company profiling and market research. So likewise you can see all our pricing strategy over here, pricing policy over here. From this you can decide yourself. So timeline, we have like 1 year means or 2 years of action plan. Actually, this is not a 2 year. This is a 7 days. So this is how we have done. Means mostly I have started with my idea for like for 2 years. Then I just think about to go for the seven, means to start my business with a very limited time period, because one of my client with whom we have been working since last 1 year. So this is actually which we have done for our clients. So this is for the this is for a like timeline which I'm going to discuss about that. So this is the project start, like you can see you just provide your details to us, we'll start your project. Then first review, after 80% work has been done. Then second review, after 100% work is done and modification. And third review is the project submission. You can set your timeline as per that, like if you are looking for 7 days or 10 days or 15 days, you can set your timeline as per that, and you can give that to us as well. So these are the portfolio what we have done for our clients. For data mining, here you can see like keyword based company, like keyword based company name, contact name, first name, last name, designation, seniority, email address, your contact information, address, time zone, and LinkedIn information, link. Each and everything you can get over here. The data mining will be very extensive and very perfect manner, which I'll discuss later. Company mapping also we are doing, and this is for market research project. This is also you can get from us. And this is for app review, any kind of software review, or any kind of product review, that also you can get from us. Brochure making also we are doing for our clients, and creative social media activities. So let me share the work in a very extensive format, so that it will be quite easier for you to understand like what we have done for our clients and how we are doing actually. So this is one IT company. This is one company where we have worked. So mostly our client was looking for any kind of IoT devices, because our client was a IoT based company. So they are actually looking for uh, IoT based IoT based people, or mostly engineering IoT based people, or the employees whom they can provide the service. Like for an example, Newell is the brand. So you are a IoT based company, or any kind of cloud based company, and your client is Newell brand, and you want to your prospect client is Newell brand. So you want to sell your service to Newell brand. So in IoT sector, or cloud sector, or cloud product, or cloud services, or IoT services, which you want to sell to the Newell brand. So what you can do at that time, you need a perfect lead with whom you can discuss about you can discuss about your services. So that is the most important thing. So getting a perfect lead from where you can get your business, that is the thing which every company is looking for. So that is the service which we are providing to our clients. So we are giving the best lead to our clients, so that they can get the 100% result from that. For an example, like here you can see the first one is the IoT connected home and security. The person is the Prachi Kumar, and the designation is Senior Vice President Engineering, and the person's email address, phone number, each and every details over here. So she is the perfect lead, you can say, because the person is totally fulfilling the whole criteria. Likewise, you can see the facilitator of for the right prospect for e-commerce industry, because the Newell brand has so many different brands and different kind of brand segments. So from each brand segment, whoever is the prospect lead, we need to go for that as well. So this is the master based database, where you can get more than 80 plus data are there, 80 plus links are there, who are like more into, they are the facilitator, you can say. From this lead you can generate the you can get the perfect information. May not be they will be the right person to discuss the things, but from these people you can get the leads, or you can get the leads, or you can discuss the services, and you can get also perfect lead for your future. For an example, if you don't get any perfect lead from this, you can't discuss with someone else over here, or you don't get a proper response from these people. At that time you can discuss with these people, and if anyone is interested, you can tell them like, if they want to share someone's name, they can discuss, they can share with you, so that you can discuss with them, and you can have a business with them. So likewise, you can also have like uh, you can have two kind of data for you. One is the finding mining set, which will be the only exact information. Then second was the master database from where you can get the future lead. Like if anyone is interested from this, they you can go for it, and you can have a very value added service from them. So there, this is how you can work on this. This is how we are working from our clients. And for this we are charging very minimal, but the service and which we are providing, that is the high quality. And I'm sure that from this, if you talk with any lead, and you will surely get a proper lead, and you can have a proper business as well. Because lead generation is the very important part. From this you can get a business like lakhs and crores, but the amount you are paying to us is very minimal as per that. So that's why if you are really looking for any kind of data mining, then you can communicate with us for more details and all. So this is all about the data mining. So I'll show you like for mapping and all how we're working. So for Newell Brands, we have given all the details about here. You can see the business unit, the brands, the technology what they are using, web address, product segment, sub product segment, each and every details we have mentioned over here. The case studies of that Newell brand, and the technology they have been used, and Newell brands competitors, their revenue, market capitalizations, their product and technology use also we can do for you. So it depends upon like when it comes to competitors, their product details or technological details, at that time we are charging more because it's a kind of one company profiling itself. That's why we're charging a little bit more when it comes to competitors details information. About brands and all, here you can see the different brands are there, like Newell brands, all the details you can see over here. The financial details like the revenue, and in future how much revenue they can generate, we can also do that as well. And news format, you can see like all the innovation, what are the recent innovation they have, or said if anyone is promoted, like if anyone is promoted to chief, or if anyone is promoted to vice president, each and every details you can get it over here as well. So all the innovation recent news we are mostly providing over here. So this is all about the technology based mapping, or any kind of mapping you can say. This is for the company mapping. So about this about what we are providing to our clients in market research projects. So here you can see like recently I worked for a client for market research. So we have worked, I work for this client, like I have given all the information to this client as per their requirement. What their requirement, I fulfill that and I worked accordingly. I have made like, this is a 33 pages uh, this document where you will get all the information, like introduction page is the background of the study, and why India should take immediate action on manufacturing sector after COVID-19. Here you will get all the information, and all the details you can see over here. Statistic and interpretation part is also there, and pastry analysis, SWOT analysis, all the details you can see over here as well, with a clear information. And a comparative study of India versus China in manufacturing sector, all the details you can see over here. And then and here you can see the interpretation and the statistic and interpretation over here. And bibliography, you will get all the reference over here, report reference. So here mostly I prefer for like all the authentic site, like government site, IBEF, or any kind of Indian government sites and all, so that it will be very authentic when it comes to data and data. So that's why after getting the data from this, I go for the statistic and interpretation part. So this is how I have worked on for this client. So this is one of my client where I work for market research. So let me show you another work, that is the different kind of app review or product review. So we have worked for one of the client, that is Trell, for whom we write the product and product review and all. So likewise, we have worked for many different clients for whom we have been working like very we have given our 100% for our clients to give them the best service. Even we are providing the digital marketing service to our clients as well, that also you can get. And another thing is, if you want, you can get also like we have uh, I'll show you, I'll share the I'll share that sorry, Google Drive with you as well, so that it will be quite easier to understand like uh, what are the services which we are providing with all the details. So let me show you something. So this is all about the digital marketing. So see, here I have been working for different clients for social media and tech links creator. So here you can see our clients, so like different clients over here. So likewise, we have very good experience in all the sectors, so that it will be quite easier for you to understand our work, to analyze our work, how we're working and how we have been working for our clients. Each and everything are here. So if you want to know more about us, then you just need to go for our website. There you will get all the information. And if you want to know more about our work and all, so you can directly mail me in this mail id. This is a temporary mail id. Soon I'm going to have a proper mail id for our website, for our business, so that it will be quite easier for you. And in the same time, if you want to connect me, or if you want to know more about our work and more connect with us, then you can go for our website, social media, different social media sites as well. So if you click on the Com Imposter site, there you will get all the information, like how you can connect with us through different social media sites. So all the information is here, so you don't need to worry like how to communicate with us or how to contact with us. Each and every details over here as well. Even I'll show you the Google Drive as well. From there also you can you will get all the information. Like I have it Google Drive. This is the client showcase where you will get all the kind of all the details over here. Client showcase, here you will get our all the portfolio work in a every details are here, so that once you just click on this, you will get the idea like what are the services which we are providing as well. So each and everything is very transparent. You, if you have any kind of doubts, you can directly communicate with us through our website or any kind of social media sites also. You can go for it. And if you want, you can communicate with us on Upwork or freelancing or Freelancer and all. So it is quite easier to communicate with us. So if you really like our project, if you want to go ahead with us, then kindly communicate with us and kindly like our page, just subscribe our channel. And if you really want to work with if you really want to get business from us, kindly just communicate with us, kindly contact us, so that we'll try our best to help you in your project. So I hope you like our work, I hope you like our project work. So thank you all.